I don't see myself doing anything other than welding. I'm very passionate about it, I'm very good at it, and I wouldn't want to do anything other than it. My name's Jason Hammer. I'm a welding apprentice, and I've been welding for about 4 to 5 years. I got into welding by going to a vocational school, starting in 11th grade, and that's where I took off my career from there. Becoming a welder, financial-wise, I was stable to move out on my own when I was 19 years old. I could afford my own car insurance, apartment. I know that's a big deal for, high school kids want to move out of their parents' house right away. I have other hobbies like welding outside, like working on custom exhausts for my own vehicles, other people's vehicles, where it's not helping myself but other people. Being an apprentice and learning from other welders, I'm learning different techniques and different skills, maybe some variants of using tools that I may have not known that I could have used for. The best thing I probably worked on would probably be working on a Navy motor for a submarine. That was pretty cool. I mean, it's something that's going to be used for 30, 50 years. Working on the motor, it's kind of puts like pride and like a happiness in me because it's something that people are going to be using and pretty much saving lives maybe and used in the United States. Having like a college degree would be nice, but I was never a school person, so being a welder was kind of an ideal thing for me. Getting right to work after high school, after vocational school, I was in no debt after taking 4 years of college or any financial debt. I was put right on the job, hands-on, and I didn't have to worry about homework or anything like that. Go to work, swing a hammer, weld some pipes, and go home at the end of the day. Anybody first off coming into welding, you'd have to be really patient. Welding's very easy for people that have done it for years, but when you just jump into it, it's something that you have to be very patient on and actually learn, pay attention. It's very hands-on, but it's also a lot of theory, meaning like a lot of book work. It may sound crazy for something that's hands-on, but you have to know troubleshooting machines and maybe looking at, fractions and decimals. There's a lot of math that goes into it. One unique part of being a welder is that you get to travel. You don't have to stay in one place at one time. You can go to one job and work there for a year or maybe 6 weeks, but then you get to go to another state, and then you can get to see the states as they are and visit places and places you may not actually do, but since you're going to another job, you get to see other things. All I've seen is, being in the construction field and being a welder, they're nothing but a bunch of good guys, and we all get along, joke around. Guys come over to my house for barbecues. We all have gone out and got a drink together. We made a lot of good friends here, even some guys I'd call my family. Anybody that wants to get into welding, it's a great career. You're always going to be needed. It's fun. It's hot. Starting off in welding and holding a torch in my hand that was blazing a million degrees with a big flame coming out of it. You don't get that at a 9-to-5 office job. You get your candles and your cake for your buddies at a party, but that's about it. Being a welder is badass.